amigos! Hello, friends! Guess who we're playing with today? That's right! It's our friend who likes to explore and have lots of fun. That's right, it's Dora! And today we have the Sparkle and Spin Ballerina Dora! Ooh, I can't wait to have lots of fun and dance and sing with our friend Dora. Are you ready? Vamonos, let's go! And here we are, our Sparkle and Spin Ballerina Dora. Oh, wow, she looks so pretty. Let's take a closer look at everything that she comes with in her tutu. Go, Dora, go. You remember our friend Dora the Explorer from Nickelodeon, right? Well, now we have Dora from Dora and Friends. Say hi, Dora. Look at her wave. Well, now Dora is hanging out with all of her friends, exploring the city, and having a fantastic time, dancing and playing and going on all sorts of adventures. This ballerina, Dora, loves to sparkle and spin, and she can say over 30 phrases in English and in Spanish. Wow, that's Dora, all right. Spin, Dora, spin. Whee! Awesome! What a great dancer. So you can move her arms up and down like this, and if you push the jewel right here on her dress, you'll be able to hear her say,
I just love dancing with my friends. Don't you?
Wow, she talks! That is so cool.
Vamos a bailar. Let's dance.
Vamos a bailar. Let's dance. Good idea. Woohoo!
Hola, soy Dora. I'm so excited to perform in the ballet tonight. Let's practice.
And plie.
Releve. That means tippy toes.
Good job, Dora! Wow, she is so cool. So she can spin, and she does realistic dance moves.
Soy Dora. I'm so excited to perform in the ballet tonight. Let's practice.
Wow, look at her go. And spin. Beautiful. Whoa, whoa, don't fall, Dora. Awesome, she's got her balance back. Good job, Dora. Okay, Dora, now let's put on a ballerina show for a few of our friends. Look, we have Hazel, Hello Kitty, and Doc and Minnie. Oh, wow, this is going to be a great surprise. Okay, are you ready? All right, let's go. Ooh.
Gracias, thank you.
Wow, great job, Dora. Oh no, Dora, get up! It's okay, Dora. Get back up. The show must go on.
Let's pirouette. That means spin.
Oh, that's a lot of spinning. Wow, Dora, great job! We loved your ballerina dancing. It was so beautiful. Great job. Maybe soon you'll be able to teach us some of your dance moves. That was so cool. Well, for more fun videos with Dora and all of her friends, subscribe right up here to the Engineering Family channel. And don't forget to give us a big thumbs up if you really like this video. And today's special word is dance. D-A-N-C-E. Ooh, Dora loved dancing in front of all of her friends today. And I bet you she had a lot of fun for sure. Dance. D-A-N-C-E. Do you like to dance like a ballerina? Well, let us know in the comments below. Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching.
Hey there, everyone. Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there you can select and watch it. I think you're really going to like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha? There are so many videos to watch. Bye!